Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. In the context of globalization, the semiconductor industry, as the cornerstone of modern scientific and technological development, has always attracted much attention. In recent years, with China's technological breakthroughs in the semiconductor field, especially the independent production of 14-nanometer lithography machines, the pattern of the global semiconductor market is undergoing unprecedented changes. However, the complexity of the international economy has also brought many challenges to China's chip industry. In 2023, ASML, Advanced Semiconductor Materials Lithography Company, once again became the focus of the world with its delivery of 450 lithography machines and revenue of 215.3 billion yuan. However, behind this data, China's chip industry has not been crushed, but has shown strong resilience and development potential. Foreign media have also said, the chip industry has begun to break through. ASML, as the world's leading lithography machine manufacturer, its rapid growth in performance undoubtedly reflects the prosperity of the semiconductor market. As the core equipment in chip manufacturing, lithography machines play a decisive role in the performance and output of chips. In 2023, the 450 lithography machines delivered by ASML not only brought it 215.3 billion yuan in revenue, but also demonstrated its dominant position in the global semiconductor market. However, ASML's success is not an isolated phenomenon. Behind it is the rapid development of the global semiconductor industry and the surge in demand. However, as competition in the global semiconductor market intensifies, ASML's achievements also reflect the disadvantages of some countries and regions in the semiconductor industry. For China, although it has made significant progress in the semiconductor field in recent years, core technologies, such as high-end lithography machines, are still subject to others. This situation not only affects the development speed of China's chip industry, but also limits its competitiveness in the international market to some extent. Faced with external pressure and technological blockade, China's chip industry did not retreat, but chose to rise to the challenge. On the one hand, China has increased its investment in the semiconductor industry and encouraged enterprises to strengthen independent research and development and innovation. On the other hand, China has also actively promoted exchanges and cooperation with international partners to seek win-win results in technology, market, and industrial chain. Taking Huawei as an example, the successful application of its self-developed Kirin 9000S chip in the Mate 60 series of mobile phones not only marks a major breakthrough in Chinese chips in the field of high-end smartphones, but also builds confidence in China's chip industry. However, after Trump took office, the trend of chip suppression became more and more obvious. Chip manufacturers such as TSMC and Samsung reported that they would stop supplying 7nm chips to the mainland, which undoubtedly brought greater challenges to China's chip industry. However, crises often breed opportunities. Faced with external pressure, China's chip industry began to accelerate the layout of an independent and controllable industrial chain. From design, manufacturing to packaging and testing, China is gradually building a complete semiconductor industry ecosystem. At the same time, China has also increased its efforts to introduce and cultivate talents, providing a strong talent guarantee for the sustainable development of the semiconductor industry. Against the backdrop of external pressure and technological blockade, China's chip industry has chosen independent innovation as a way out. On the one hand, China has increased its investment in the research and development of semiconductor materials and equipment, striving to make breakthroughs in key technologies. On the other hand, China has also actively promoted collaborative innovation between industry, academia, research and application, and accelerated the transformation and application of scientific and technological achievements. In the field of lithography, China has achieved initial results. Although there is still a gap compared with the international advanced level, Chinese lithography companies are constantly working to narrow this gap. At the same time, China is also actively exploring new lithography technology paths, such as electron beam lithography and ion beam lithography, in order to gain an advantageous position in future market competition. In addition to lithography machines, China has also made significant progress in other semiconductor equipment and materials. For example, in etching machines, thin film deposition equipment, etc., China already has a certain degree of independent research and development capabilities. In terms of semiconductor materials, China is also actively developing new semiconductor materials, such as third-generation semiconductor materials, to cope with changes in future market demand. Although there are still many challenges and opportunities. On the one hand, with the intensification of competition in the global semiconductor market and the acceleration of technological iteration, China needs to continuously accelerate the pace of independent innovation and enhance its core competitiveness. On the other hand, with the rapid development of emerging technologies, such as 5G and artificial intelligence, China's chip industry will also usher in new development opportunities. Looking to the future, China's chip industry will surely break through. In terms of building an independent and controllable industrial chain, China needs to continue to strengthen exchanges and cooperation with international partners to jointly promote the healthy development of the semiconductor industry. At the same time, China also needs to increase its efforts to cultivate and introduce talents to provide strong talent guarantees for the sustainable development of the semiconductor industry. In addition, China also needs to strengthen policy guidance and support to provide a good development environment and policy support for the semiconductor industry. For example, the implementation of policy measures, such as fiscal investment and tax incentives in the semiconductor industry, should be strengthened to stimulate the innovation vitality and market competitiveness of enterprises. In short, facing external pressure and technological blockade, China's chip industry has chosen independent innovation as a way out. Through the implementation of measures such as increasing R&D investment, promoting collaborative innovation between industry, academia, research and application, and building an independent and controllable industrial chain, China's chip industry has achieved initial results. Looking to the future, China's chip industry will continue to maintain a strong development momentum and contribute more to the prosperity and development of the global semiconductor industry. Although ASML's brilliant achievements have shocked the global semiconductor market, China's chip industry will not be crushed by this, but will rise in adversity and show stronger vitality and competitiveness.